Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful tree topper bow or wreath bow out of scraps of ribbon, so let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I've folded it in half. I'm just going to tuck it underneath my Bowdabra. Then I have this pick, and I'm just going to lay my pick into my Bowdabra. And then I have these pieces of mesh that we're just going to lay into the Bowdabra. And then I'm going to take these strips that I just cut from the rolls of our Bowdabra ribbon. We're going to lay these down into the Bowdabra. And all of these ribbons, except the mesh, are wired ribbons. So we're just going to lay these in. And all I'm doing is just taking scraps of ribbon and laying it into the Bowdabra. And I'm going to finish up with my silver Gleam ribbon, and then I'm just going to lay some feathers in here. And this bow could be perfect for a tree topper or an elegant gift, or even as a centerpiece if you put candles on either side. So now I'm going to just take my, whoopsie daisy, lay these back in here, and take my wand, and I'm just going to give everything a good push. And then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and pull this up, pull the ends through my slip knot, hold everything down really tight, pull my wire, bring it out of the Bowdabra, and separate the ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm just going to tie it and knot it. And you have, I'm just going to shape everything out. And now you have this absolutely gorgeous bow that would be perfect as a tree topper or a centerpiece. And please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.